Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. Recently, I bought this particular laptop on Xianyu Chinese shopping app and it is incredibly cheap. Let me show you everything about the laptop. Just like what you see on the screen right here, you can see the laptop still very much neat. HP laptop, and the working condition is so much perfect. This is the laptop detail right here. You can see. So if I swipe this way, so you can see, and you can see everything about the laptop picture. You can see the back of the laptop right here, just like so. Then it's about 4 different picture, just like so. So guess how much I bought this particular laptop. It will be amazing the kind of amount they sold this particular laptop on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Before I unveil the price, so let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, but before I unveil the price of this particular laptop on Xianyu, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's compare the price of this particular laptop right here. So I'm going to exit from here now. So just like what you see right here, the price goes for 220 yuan. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link. Then you find out that I've already purchased this particular laptop right here. So I'm going to click on so I'm going to go back right here. So just like so. So you can see the laptop has been sold and I'm the one that purchased the laptop. For you to be sure, let me show you my chart with the seller right here. So this is the seller right here, and these are all my charts with the seller, and this is when I give them my shipping address right here. So you can see everything. You can see all our charts right here, just like so. You can see all our charts right here. Initially the laptop was at 240 yuan, but I bargained with the price, and the seller told me that I'm going to pay for the shipping fee, and I pay about 20 yuan for the shipping fee. So you can see all our chart right here. Now if I click on the product link right here, so let's see. Now you can see this is when the product was shipped to me right here. So let's go back to the page right here, so you can see everything right here. So ordinarily this particular laptop here was purchased for 220 yuan, just like what you see right here. So let's open up the link and then you see the product detail. So you can see it is a 4 gig, and you can see the detail about the laptop right here. You can see the product picture, just like so. So let's go ahead and check these are the product picture right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import product from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.